How to clear DNS cache in Chrome. Fix loading issues are websites refusing to load in Chrome, showing outdated content, or taking forever to open even though your internet is working fine. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to clear your DNS cache in Chrome in under 2 minutes so you can fix these loading issues fast. DNS is basically the internet's phone book. When you type a website, Chrome looks up the IP address and saves it in a DNS cache to make browsing faster. The problem is when a website changes servers or updates, that cached DNS data becomes outdated and Chrome cannot find the website. Fortunately, Chrome has a built-in tool to fix this instantly. Let us get into it. Step 1. Open Chrome and click in the address bar. Type chrome://netinternals#DNS and press enter. This takes you directly to Chrome's DNS diagnostics page. Step 2. You will see a section called Host Resolver Cache. Click the Clear Host Cache button. This removes all the cached DNS records. Step 3. Now click the Sockets tab at the top. Click Flush Socket Pools. This clears any active connections so Chrome reconnects with fresh DNS information. Step 4. Close and reopen Chrome completely. Not just reload the page, close the entire browser and reopen it. Step 5. Try loading the website that was giving you problems. It should now load correctly with fresh DNS information. One important thing, this only works on desktop Chrome, not mobile. On mobile, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data and make sure cache is checked. Pro tip, only clear DNS cache when you are actually experiencing problems. Chrome automatically expires old records on its own. Manually clearing it regularly provides no real benefit. So to recap, go to chrome://netinternals#DNS. Clear the host cache, flush the socket pools, close and reopen Chrome, and try your website again. If this helped you fix your loading issues, hit the like button and subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which website you were having trouble loading. See you in the next one.